Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share with you what all products I received in my Mini-O-Grabox for the month of September 2018. As we all know that Grabox is one of the affordable beauty and jewelry subscription box. Like, it has two boxes. One is the beauty subscription box and the second one is the jewelry one. So I have here the Mini-O-Grabox. So let me show you all the products that I received this month. So this month it came in this cloth cover. So the very first product I have here is from the brand Faconn. So as we all know that Grabox is from the brand Faconn. So we have here the Faconn Pink Blush Rose Clay. It says this luxurious clay has some gentle exfoliating and polishing properties which help in removing impurities and bring out a newer, younger looking skin. The ingredients of this particular clay are kaolin clay, rose extract and rose oil. The directions are to mix this clay with rose water or apple cider vinegar or hydrosol and apply on the face. Rinse off when dried. Follow it with a moisturizer. So this is of 100 grams. This is of 100 grams and the amount and the price for this is 250 rupees. It comes in a packaging like this. You can open it from here. It comes in a Ziploc packaging like this. You can open it from here, use it how much ever you need, and then you have the Ziploc again to keep it secure. So that's the first product, guys. And then we have, let me see what next I have here. Then the second product I have here is from the brand MD, that is Measurable Difference Defining Duet Contour Stick. So this is the contour and highlight stick. It's in the shade medium. One side we have this contour color or the contour stick, which looks more like a lipstick to me. I don't know if it's going to be too dark, but I'll check that later. Let me show you how it looks. Okay, this is how it looks. Then we have the highlighter or the concealer or the highlighter here. So this is the second product. The prices and all will be mentioned in the description box, so please don't forget to check that out. The third product is this lip liner. This is from the brand Audi, and this is the eye lip liner pencil with aloe vera and vitamin E. This is of 1.8 grams. Okay, it's in the shade orange. This is the same shade that I received earlier in Grabox. So they have sent me the same shade twice. I don't know why. Now this is how the shade looks. And then we have the third product, which is from SFR Girl Ultra Shiny Glitter. This is the glitter eyeshadow. This is the pressed glitter eyeshadow. It's in the shade number 6 golden, and it's of 2.95 grams. Let me show you how it looks. So this is the packaging. See how shiny it looks. And let me show you the swatch of this. So that was the fourth product. And then we have some jewelry pieces here. We have two earrings from them. The first jewelry piece is pair of this earring. This is how it, and the quality of these earrings looks really good. It's a bit heavy, but then the quality is really good. So we have one more pair of earrings here, which looks something like this. These are very lightweight metal earrings. Though these earrings are very lightweight, but the quality looks good. And then the final product that we have from Mini-O-Grabox are these French nail tip guides. It comes in these 3 shapes, 1, 2 and 3. This is how it looks. So the prices of all these products will be mentioned in the description box down below, and if you want to get your own Mini-O-Grabox and if you want to know more details about Grabox, then I will be mentioning all the details in the description box down below. Please do check the description box, and I hope you liked this unboxing video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also do share this video with your friends and family members. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also to click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.